Hello.
Hello. This is our first home vlog.
Yes.
Home vlog. Sorry,
Yes.
I'm copying Tim Tracker there. And feeding baby Rosie at the same time. Yeah, we want to start doing these because somebody's growing up quick. You've probably not met her yet.
No.
Oh, my hand's in the way. This is baby Rosie, who's currently preoccupied with her bottle
Yes.
and wondering why Daddy and Mummy are talking. Yeah, she's growing up so quick, so we want to make memories.
Yeah, we want to get into filming more, just I say to make memories.
Yeah.
Because it's nice to have videos. Yes, it is.
It's like today. Yesterday she rolled over for the first time, and we caught it on video today.
Yeah. You clever girl.
I'll put it
You
in
are.
here.
You clever girl.
So these are going to be completely disjointed. We are not professionals.
No.
We are not good at this.
No.
Rosie will vouch for that.
I'm just about to eat a Marmite bagel
Mhm.
to get rid of all the sweetness.
You'll see that in a minute. We
Yeah.
make something very sweet today. Very sweet.
It's like no more sweetness until later.
But anyway, enjoy. There's going to be probably till we get used to doing this really disjointed footage. But it's for us. It's for you. It's fun.
Yeah.
It's
for
us.
baby Rosie.
It's for baby Rosie. Poor child.
I'm just going to look at her the whole time.
All right, fine.
Yes, I am.
So we've been trying to do something different recently. We're letting Rosie self-soothe, so we're just putting her down for her nap, and we only started this yesterday. The only problem is, all we end up doing is just sitting here staring at her on the camera. So that's now what I'm going to probably do for at least the next 15 minutes to see if she falls asleep. I don't think she will. We'll see. Well, the answer to that question is no. Dummy's out. One more try. Well, we're going to attempt to keep ourselves occupied during quarantine.
Yep.
Yeah.
So whilst we've been at home, we've really got into. I shall show you. Cupcake.
I will show you.
Yes. Yeah, I'll show you. When it lies. We've really got into cupcake Gemma. And I just saw this super easy, no bake, lockdown fridge cake that I thought that we would just have a play around with and make. Yeah? So we're just basically just going to put our own stuff in it. We've made that.
Yeah, that went well.
Craig can put up a picture of that, can't you?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. And we've made frozen cookies, which are somewhere. Don't know where they are.
I'll record them next time they're in the oven.
Yeah. But today we're going to do this.
And what we're putting in ours?
So we've got, well, basically she says that you need obviously butter, golden syrup and chocolate. But then we've kind of got stuff. So we've got marshmallows. We already had cookies. We already had Rolos. We already had these like caramel biscuit bars and cornflake cakes. But then I've got marshmallows, Smarties and Yorkie raisin and biscuits because I wasn't going to pay £1 for a small bag of chocolate raisins. So I thought they've got raisins in.
And essentially this is what I call
It's a rocky
road.
It's a rocky road, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think the Smarties will go on the top, I think.
Yeah.
But we'll just go with it and see what happens. Well, we'll talk a little bit through it, won't we? But
Yeah, I've got a camera set up just to
Yeah.
record it so we can have our hands free.
And we've got a little help. Say hi, Rosie. Rosie, say hi. She
And
says
before
no.
anyone says anything, yes, we don't have her strapped in. She's just sat there, but we are both standing within 2 foot of her.
To be fair, she can't go
Go
anywhere. Where's she gonna go?
She's not strong enough
Where
yet.
are you gonna go?
And she's playing with her little pram toy. Which actually, should we get a little bit higher for her?
Yeah, she's alright, isn't she? She's happy. You're happy, aren't you?
It kind of scares me when she presses the button on her own because she's only just started doing it.
Yeah. You're a beautiful girl.
Anyway, should we crack on?
Yep, let's crack on. Oh.
Busted.
Look, stuff in.
So what do we got?
I have just washed my hands.
Good.
So we've got. I'm just going to use my hands, yeah?
Yeah.
Did she put it all in and then mix it?
Yeah.
Cookies. Some Rolos. Some cornflake cakes.
More cookies.
More cookies. More Rolos. Ooh. We've got bits of Yorkie, biscuit and raisin.
I like raisins.
Just shove all that in there. Oh, bit of syrup on my finger. Shall I put all the crummy bits in?
Yeah. It's texture.
And then we've got some marshmallows. Here that Craig lovingly chopped up.
Apparently too roughly.
To add a bit of colour in that, obviously. Oops, sticky. Right, should we stir?
Mm-hmm.
And see if we need more.
Yes, Rosie.
Yeah.
I think it's about done, is what she's telling us.
Ready?
Yeah, I want to see this go in.
I'll put it in. And you can press it all down, yeah?
Yeah. I love she makes these noises now. I think we've definitely done bigger chunks than she did.
Well, no, she put in like whole biscuits pretty much, didn't she?
Yeah, I suppose so.
So we've got some white chocolate in the cupboard. So we're just going to finish it off by grating some white chocolate on the top.
Look at Laura getting all chefy.
Or shall I put bigger chunks? Done little ones now. Let's just see what big ones look like.
Do a mixture.
Oh, that's better. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah, and only half of it's going over the workbench. So we have what we are calling Boulder Road.
Boulder Road.
Because it's definitely not Rocky Road. It's got way bigger chunks in than that.
Or it could be the Ray's Rocky Road.
The Ray's Boulder Road. Ray's Rocky Road, both better. So
basically just shoving it where it was.
Yeah. Now this has got to go in the fridge for
No.
an hour. Let's put that in there. Are you so hungry right now you're eating your hand? Does this smell so good you're eating your hand? Are you? Are you? Oh, yes. You want some chocolate? You're too young for chocolate. Yes, you are. You too young for chocolate. How you eat your finger instead? Baby Rosie's annoyed with us.
Why?
She's annoyed. She's like, how can my YouTube debut be in an outfit that doesn't suit me?
Oh yeah, I'm not sure on the black. Mummy's not sure on the black, is she?
No.
Mummy's not sure on the black.
I can't believe the first time we put you on YouTube, we have you in an outfit that we don't like.
No.
It just
it's
doesn't
good.
suit. It's a nice outfit.
Yeah.
It just doesn't suit her.
I think it's too dark.
Yeah.
I think it's too dark.
We go pastel, girly pastel colours with animals normally.
Cutesy.
Cutesy.
Bunnies.
You're going to be a cutesy little baby, aren't you? Yes.
But there'll be people out there saying that it looks really nice on her.
Yes, let us know. What do you think?
Personal preference, isn't it?
Let us know what you think of this outfit. It's got rainbows and unicorns and chubby little knees. And we put socks on because it was cold. Chubby little knees.
And to be fair, this is shorter than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
So.
Because this is 3 to 6 months?
That's 0 to 3.
0 to 3? Oh. So she is 4 and a bit months and she's still in 0 to 3.
But that's a bit small, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
The vest isn't, but the what's it called?
Play suit?
Over the top thing?
Yeah.
I think you're coming up to 3 to 6 month clothes. Yes.
I think someone's going to want a nap in a minute. Just eat my hand.
Are you beautiful? Are you beautiful?
There she is.
Are you beautiful?
Oh, lovely bit of drool there, Mummy.
Are you beautiful? Yeah. No. I'll get you in the face. You love her. Is she your friend?
Well, it's a lot later in the day and the moment of truth.
So we left it a lot later.
Yeah, because we suddenly realised the hour mark was like 45 minutes from dinner, so...
Yeah.
Ooh.
So let's... So we get a board.
Let me put this light on as well.
There you go. Wet and washed up.
So you can actually see.
I'll use that.
It's heavy.
Well, it's solid, isn't it? Ready?
Uh-oh. It's in there. Might have to get a palette knife. Let's get the palette knife. It's lifting. Oh. Why did that come out as satisfying? This is very satisfying there.
Oh, it's a bit of caramel, is it?
Mm.
Okay. So how are we going to get it? Oh, I should have put this in the dishwasher and it wouldn't have fitted anyway, would it? No. Right, excuse the hands, but...
She washed them after she changed our daughter's bum.
Or did I?
Every parent out there right now goes, yeah, you didn't.
There we go.
Sorry for the dark light. It's now evening time.
Yeah.
No, it's fine where it was.
Oh.
It's just dark in here. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at that. That is just a chunk of marshmallow.
Where's that caramel bit? Can't remember now. Actually, they're quite big chunks, actually.
Well, we're doing thinner the other way then.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, look. Smarty is not cutting. It's so dense. There we go. Taste test.
So open it so we can see the inside.
And you ready?
Do me a favour, just do it by that light.
No, you know I'm going to edit all of your moaning out.
Look at that. And then.
Right, you ready? Oh.
Oh, marshmallow.
Mm.
Yummy?
Hang on. There's a lot of chew in there. That's really nice.
Is it really nice?
Mm.
Let me have a bit.
It's exactly as you'd expect it to be.
Oh, got a raisin. It's all your marshmallows.
Hmm.
Yummy.
Well, that was worth making. That was our Ray's Rocky Road, or Boulder Road. But that's us done for today. This has been our first little home vlog. It's not going to be a daily thing. It's literally going to be when and if we do anything, just to kind of show it off and what we do, etc. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do all the like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and hopefully this continues. I'm sure you'll probably all want to see more of Rosie than us, or definitely more of this. Anyway, thank you. Bye. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Laura's waving. She's got a mouthful of chocolate.